presentation. So ano ba talaga? Meron ba talaga o wala? Kayo siguro makakapagsabi kasi requirement nyo yun para magbigay ng permit. Tama po ba ako?
Ang hinihingi po ng ating regulation po, dahil nga po exempted ang exploration activities sa paghingi po ng endorsement consultation under section 26-27. Ang nakalagay po sa unang implementing rules and regulation po ng Mining Act is ang requirement po is publication, ipopost po yung application sa mga bulletin boards. Yun po yung proof of consultation ng interpretation po ng DNR nung una po. Ang hiningi po ng DNR ay yung pag-submit po ng exploration work program sa mga community, may receive copy. Yun po yung requirement ng batas natin. Pero ang DNR goes beyond the regulation. Hinihingi na po natin doon sa bagong regulation na project endorsement, pero mauuna po yung permit. Yung permit mauuna, pero hindi po sila makakapasok sa area kung walang endorsement. Yun po yung bagong requirement po natin. Kailangan na po ng endorsement bago pumasok sa isang area po.
Okay, I see these two gentlemen raising their hands. Unahin muna natin.
Your Honor, klarado sa Section 23 ng Implementing Rules and Regulations ng Mining Act na kailangan ng consultation requirement in accordance with the Local Government Code. Hindi presentation, magkaiba po yun. Tama po kayo, Mr. Chair. No? Hindi presentation ang required. Consultation. Now, the same condition was also imposed under the exploration permit, Section 18, consultation. So maliwanag po yun na consultation na required. At yun po ang obligasyon ng WOGEL. At yun din po ang obligasyon ng mga representantes po dito ng ating regulatory agencies to ensure that it is followed. Yun po. Marami pong salamat, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Ano pangalan mo? Ano?
I'm Florentino Dayanos, Mr. Chair.
You are from?
Yeah, from Dupax del Norte, the president of the Dupax del Norte Environmental Defenders, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Yeah. Gusto ko lang din pong liwanagin kasi po yung pre-represent po kanina ni Mr. Tommy Alfonso, regardless kung consulted sila or not, basta nag-present po, okay na po iyon. Yan po yung napakasakit po na tinututulan po ng mga mamamayan, yung mga surface owners, yung mga mismong residente. In that way, if they only presented is last consultation, hindi na po nila pinag-iba yun eh. Whether presentation yan, consultation na rin yan. But when they came to us, I was there August 15, 2025. Maybe Mr. Alfonso was not aware of what the MGB and this your staff from WOGEL are doing or were doing. They went there and it was very clear. They said it was only a presentation meeting, not consultation. And that was also the very moment, galit na galit kami doon po sa Barangay Oyaw. Ako po yung naunang nag-question dan, how come na mayroon kayong exploration permit without conducting consultation in our place? We were never conducted. At sabi nila, hindi po kailangan ang consultation to kung mag-explore lang. Sabi po kanina, very clear din po, 7160, RA 7160, sections 26 and 27, particularly that of 27, mandatory prior consultation po. And consultation should not only be maybe in aid of legislation, Mr. Chair. Ito na po siguro yung isa na mga kailangan nating na may amen po sa batas po natin. Whether outside or within CADTI, there should be a need for consultation, Mr. Chair. Pangalawa po, consultation ay hindi lang po yung magpre-present sila, magpapamiting sila, regardless kung gusto or ayaw ng mga tao, nag-present kami, nag-consult kami. Dapat the consultation should be with the consent, free consent of the people, Mr. Chair. Kasi po, ang napakasakit po doon, nagpakain sila, nagpawatwat sila, nagpa-attendance sila, nag-video, nag-picture sila, kahit ayaw ng mga tao. Ito na po yung mga transmits ninyo. And MGB, nandun po kayo. Galit na galit po kami. Anong ginawa ninyo? Yung dati na sinabi nyo na presentation lang po, ginawa ninyong consultation. So in paper, ayun, fulfilled yung mga requirements, prerequisites. But in spirit, in reality, there was no such thing as consultation, which means napaliwala po yung mga tao. Yung mga tao na matagal na pong naninirahan doon, na tahimik, na sila ang nagmamay-ari ng lupa, ngayon dahil because of that anomalously, deceitfully, fraudulently acquired or obtained permit, wala na silang karapatan. Ngayon na sila ngayon ay magbabarikada to defend their land and their families, wala na silang karapatan dahil we have the permit. Here comes PNP, arestuhin sila, ikulong sila. Yun na po ang nangyayari. Mr. Chair, siguro po kailangan din natin dito i-clarify na yung batas po natin, unang-una, dapat klaro po ito. With consultation, sana po ma-approve whether ito po ay sakop ng CADTI or not, meron pa rin pong consultation at po kung po pwede pong maidagdag para po mawala po yung agam-agam at yung mga kapulastugan po na ginagawa, sorry po for this word. Kasi po, in paper lang po lahat ng mga ginagawa nila. Pero yung actual, ngayon, naririnig po ninyo, sabi kanina ni Mr. Alfonso, they were following the law. They were following due process, and yet here comes the truth. The truth is you never followed, obeyed due process. There was no consultation at all. At kaya nga po kami nagbabarikada dahil ayaw po namin. Dahil ang feeling po namin, you deceive us. Ang feeling po namin, ginagamit ninyo ang PNP ngayon. Ang feeling po namin, kalaban kayo. And sorry for the word again. Why, MGB, you are acting like mouthpiece of Google Corporation? Sorry for that.
Muna ang palalawigan.
Yes po. Meron
Ibig
din
sabihin,
po.
probinsya.
Meron po.
Meron kayong consultation?
Yes po.
When did that happen?
That's
Let
already
me finish first.
yeah, that's already after when we received the approved exploration permit po.
From?
That happened August 20, 2025.
Oh, what happened to your consultation sa Sangguniang Palalawigan? Who was present there? Any... Oh, what happened? Can you tell this committee what transpired during...
Apologies, Mr. Chair. Again, I was not present during that
Oh,
consultation.
so who were present during that time? He stated a while ago that there was a consultation prior to the exploration permit.